Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make chili garlic sauce. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh red chilies, half a cup of garlic, and a neutral oil like vegetable or canola. Make sure you have a clean, airtight jar ready for storage. This simple recipe brings incredible flavor to many dishes, and it's surprisingly easy to prepare right in your own kitchen. Now, let's get our ingredients ready. Start by roughly chopping your fresh red chilies and garlic. For safety, always wear gloves when handling chilies to avoid skin irritation. A food processor is your best friend here. It will quickly chop the chilies and garlic into a coarse mixture, saving you a lot of time and effort. Aim for a texture that's finely minced but not a paste. With your ingredients prepped, it's time to cook. Heat about 1 cup of neutral oil in a pan over medium-low heat. Once the oil is warm, carefully add your chopped chili and garlic mixture. Stir it well to ensure everything is coated. Let it simmer gently for about 20 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the mixture becomes fragrant and the chilies darken slightly, but don't let it burn. To finish, remove the pan from the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. These additions balance the flavors beautifully. Allow the chili garlic sauce to cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to your clean jar. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will last for several weeks. This homemade sauce is perfect for adding a kick to stir fries, noodles, or eggs. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.